Everyone, today I am going to show you how to install APK files on an iPhone. First, we need to install an application. To do that, go to the App Store and tap on search icon at the bottom right. Type in APK downloader and install the app that appears. Once installed, open your browser and go to the website apkfiles.com. When you are on the site, tap the search bar at the top and look for the APK you want to download and install. After you find it, tap on the app, then tap on download free. Enter the text for verification and begin the download. Next, open the APK downloader app. Tap on the three lines at the top left and go to local files. There you will find your downloaded APK files. Tap on the file you want to install. That's how you can install APK files on your iOS device. If this video helped you, please consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.